This is tarantula. Tarantulas look scary, but their venom is weaker than a bee's sting. This is bears. They love to eat almost everything. Most bears are omnivores, meaning they eat plants, meat, and fish. Panda bears, however, eat only bamboo, about 40 pounds a day. This animal is known as sheep. Sheep are super fast. Some breeds can run up to 20 miles per hour, 32 kilometers per hour, faster than most kids. The name of this insect is beetles. Whirligig beetles spin in circles on ponds using water-repellent legs like tiny boats. This is kangaroo. The kangaroo is on Australia's coat of arms and even some coins. Kangaroos can hop up to 44 miles per hour, faster than a car in a school zone. Tiger. The tiger are carnivores, meaning they primarily eat meat, and their diet consists mainly of large ungulates like zebras, wildebeests, and buffaloes. This is tiger. The teeth and paws of the tiger are very strong. Tiger is the national animal of India and Bangladesh. The lifespan of tigers is of 26 to 30 years. This is goats. Goats were one of the first domesticated animals. People have kept goats as pets and for milk for over 10,000 years, even before cows. Whale. Lobsters are scavengers. Whale calves drink 100 gallons of milk daily. It's so thick, it's like toothpaste, and super fatty for energy. Zebra. Each zebra has a unique stripe pattern. They can sleep standing up. There are 3 species of zebra. This is frogs. Freeze resistant. The wood frog can freeze solid in winter and thaw back to life in spring, like a frog popsicle. Glow in the dark. Some frogs, like the elk, they live in big groups called herds. Elk help the forest grow. By eating plants and spreading seeds in their poop, they help new trees and flowers grow. This is called dogs. The tallest dog ever was 44 inches tall. Like a pony, a Great Dane named Zeus held the record. He was taller than most kids. This is octopus. 8 arms, 9 brains. An octopus has 1 central brain, 8 mini brains, 1 in each arm. So its arms can think on their own. The name of this insect is grasshoppers. Grasshoppers have been around for 250 million years. They saw the dinosaurs come and go. Rhino. There are 5 rhino species. The white and black rhinos are found in Africa, while the Sumatran, Javan, and Indian rhinos live in Asia. This animal is known as snake. Snake venom is used to make life-saving medicines for heart attacks and blood pressure.